Good evening. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and today Maricopa County leaders encouraged victims to seek support as the county grapples with this devastating problem. Thanks for joining us. For 12 News at 10, I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Kadiva Devine. It's a sad statistic. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men are abused by their partner in their lifetime. Tonight, 12 News journalist Gabriela Becerra is in Phoenix with how the county attorney is shining a light on the harsh reality of domestic violence.
The number of domestic violence cases handled by the Maricopa County Attorney's Office has declined since reaching record highs during the pandemic. But Attorney Rachel Mitchell says even one case is too many.
You are not what has happened to you, and that your traumas don't define you.
Mary Shea is a domestic violence survivor, sharing her experience to encourage others to ask for help.
I remember thinking that I didn't deserve help, thinking that it was my fault that I was in this situation, thinking that it had to be me and me alone to fix this, to dig myself out from this hole while I was simultaneously drowning.
Mary Shea wasn't alone. Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell's office successfully prosecuted her abuser's case.
I can guarantee you, having prosecuted this type of case and similar cases for 25 years, that the devil you know is not better than the devil you don't know.
Mitchell is urging victims to create a safety plan and utilize county hotlines and shelters.
So the fastest way for us to help you is for you to ask for help.
A victim will leave their abuser between 7 to 12 times before leaving for the last time, according to Mitchell. Experts say violence is at its worst when a victim tries to leave the relationship.
The police and the Maricopa County Attorney's Office will do everything within our power to hold your abuser accountable.
Domestic violence often goes underreported, but we know the Maricopa County Attorney's Office handled more than 4,000 cases in 2022. Of those cases, 168 were aggravated domestic violence and 714 were strangulation. Mitchell says they're on track to have similar numbers this year.
It makes it a difficult case to investigate, makes it a difficult case to prosecute, but it is not by any means an impossible case to investigate or prosecute.
Mary Shea wants victims to know there are people like her ready to listen and help those who need it.
Living as a victim of domestic violence felt impossible, and becoming a survivor was so hard. But now I get to live, I get to thrive.
There are many events throughout the month of October that offer a range of services and resources for victims, including one coming up this Saturday, hosted by Chicanos por la Causa. They'll have free medical service and legal advice for victims. Reporting in Phoenix, Gabriela Becerra, 12 News.
If you or someone you know may be a victim of domestic violence, maybe someone watching us right now, there is help out there. You can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline anytime at 1-800-799-SAFE. You can also chat with someone online at thehotline.org or just text the word START to 88788.